Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar to unbox with you, and I have got the huge Degustabox advent calendar. But you might not be able to see it all. It is ginormous. This is the XXL advent calendar, which retails for £39.99. This is Degustabox UK. There are other Degusta boxes out there, but this one is solely for UK, and it has a value of over £50. This advent calendar was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. They've given me a code which will entitle you to receive £6 off this advent calendar, which is Advent AFF 15. I'll pop that down below in my description, as well as links to this calendar, and also if you're interested in the Degustabox monthly subscription box, which is all to do with food. Apologies, I haven't even told you what this is about. Every item in this calendar is food, snack foods, healthy foods, treat foods. It's all to do with Christmas and festive season. You'll find all links and codes down below in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So as well as this calendar, got a little booklet here. So if I'm not sure what anything is, I'm sure it'll tell me. So yeah, so let's get on to opening door number 1, which is here. Ooh. We've got Stroopwafels. Oh, I love them. This is Dalman's, the authentic Dutch Stroopwafel caramel. And there's about 8 in there. They are beautiful. But we've also got a Stroopwafel warmer. You place this on top of your cup of tea, cup of coffee, put your Stroopwafel on top, leave it there for a little while and it'll warm up, ready for you to eat. They are at their best when they're warm. I pop them in the microwave, but sometimes I put them in for too long and then they're just boiling hot, absolutely boiling hot. Plus the wafers all sliding around. You know what I mean if you've done the same. But having one of these is genius. I think it's brilliant. So yeah, day number 1, Stroopwafel and a warmer. It's not that easy to spot where the doors are. They've obviously got numbers on, but they're very subtle and they're all over the place. So day number 2, you won't get to see it, but probably my video will be about 3 hours long and I just have to edit it down. Down the bottom here, I've got some mustard. This is by Mele, and it's a whole grain mustard. There's 210 grams there. I have actually had this before, but I've never said the name out loud before, so apologies if I'm butchering these names. Read you a little bit of information about it. It has a recommended retail price of £1.99, categorised by its grainy texture. This whole grain mustard is all about adding texture and flavour to your dishes. Try it in sauces and vinaigrettes, or use it to create an exquisite crunchy crust on roast dishes. Make meals memorable with Mele. It's got some mustard. Day number 3. Right down the bottom here, we've got a fruit juice drink. This is mango and passion fruit. Oh my word. 330 mils. Crafted by Cracker Drinks Co. I know I'm going to love that. I'm going to pop that in the fridge after I finish the video. And that's going to be mine. Oh, I love mango passion fruit. I love it. It's an award-winning fruity drink and it retails for £2. And it says it's lovely on its own or can be used in the heart of a mocktail or cocktail. I can't find day number 4. It's really hard. It's really hard to spot the numbers. This is brilliant if you're buying it for December, open it day by day. It's a challenge to seek out the day. But from a video perspective, my battery's going to go flat. I don't know where day number 4 is. Look, it's got it there. It says love food and they've put a number 4 on there. I suppose it doesn't help because I have dyslexia, so maybe these things I just don't notice. But I found it and that's the main thing. We got some sweets. These are Little Miss Sunshine, Hello Sunshine, watermelon and pina colada jellies. And I'm going to have one now. I love things like this, especially if they're sour sweets, which I think they are. They look it. Can't open them. I can't open them. I'm going to have to use scissors to open them up. Never mind. The recommended retail price is £2.49. Little Miss Sunshine, watermelon and pina colada jelly sweets. The perfect fruity treat for a movie night. So there's that. One benefit of not finding out where the doors are, notice where others are. Number 5 is up here. Yay! And we've got Warming Winter Spice. Masters of Flavour by Bart. This is limited edition. So I'm assuming this is to make your own, like mulled wine. Something like that. A delicious blend of aromatic spices and orange peel. Perfect for roasting a gammon or biscuit baking. This is everything that winter has been waiting for. This sounds brilliant actually. It sounds really great. The recommended retail price is £2.99. A limited edition spice from the experts in flavour to bring some magic to your festive cooking. So there's that. Day number 6 in the corner here somewhere. I can see it, but where's the opening? Got it. We got some Rhythm 108, consciously crafted, deliciously Swiss, vegan mint fondant with dark chocolate, organic, gluten-free, 33% less sugar, made in Switzerland by chocolatiers. Oh, that's nice. Well, it looks nice anyway. Shall I try some? Go on then. Don't need much convincing, do I? I want to try something in this video. Smells like After Eights. I was expecting it to have like a fondant filling. The mint isn't too overpowering. It tastes a really lovely chocolate. It's an award-winning mint fondant bar and the recommended retail price is £3.59. So there's that. Day number 7. Up here. We've got some Mentos. Seasoned Greetings Vanilla Mint. Oh, I bet they taste amazing. And there's a pack of 3 in there. Limited edition festive flavour and the recommended retail price is £1.50. Day number 8 over here. See, the more I open up, the easier it will be to find. We've got some pasta. This is by the brand Rumo. A bag of fusilli. There's 500 grams here. I love the packaging. Making pasta from top quality Durham wheat is an art. By doing it day by day means bringing together art and science. The recommended retail price is £1.80. Day number 9 down the bottom here. And to go with our pasta, we've got a pasta sauce. This is by Rumo, the same brand. This is Sugo alla Napoletana. And this is 100% Pomodoro Italiano. So this is a tomato-based pasta sauce there, and we've got 350 grams. And the recommended retail price is £1.99. Day number 10 up here. What are these? King Monty Granola Power Snack Spiced Biscuits. They're dairy and gluten-free, plant-based. Oh, I love granola. It looks like there might be different flavours. It doesn't say what the other flavours are. The recommended retail price is £3.15. Day number 11 over here. We got 2 bags of Ollies pretzels. We've got sweet chilli and we've got sour cream and onion. And they're 35 grams each. And they retail for £1 each. It's those. Day number 12 and I can't find. Oh dear. Oh, down the bottom. This is Mini Vino. Oh, I like this. The wine that loves to go places. Mini Vino is a Merlot. Merlot's my favourite red wine. And yeah, 12%. Oh, look at that. That is really cool, isn't it? I've never seen anything like that before. The recommended retail price is £2.25. Perfect for mini moments on the go. Our delicious vegan-friendly wines can be enjoyed straight from the cup. Made from recycled plastic and fully recyclable, our lightweight and portable cups have a replaceable lid, so Mini Vino can be enjoyed any time and place. And they're available in Sainsbury's and Co-op, 2 places that are nowhere near where I live, unfortunately. £2.25, recommended retail price, which I'm sure I told you. So we got some wine. Day number 13, down the bottom here. This is Fleur de Sel, Camargue, product of France, master salt maker. I love the packaging. I'll have a read now in the little booklet. It's a unique finishing salt with a delicate and crunchy texture. The salt flakes result from a special form of crystallization at the surface of the seawater and are harvested by hand in the Camargue since antiquity by the salt farmers. It is used on the dining table or at the end of cooking and matches perfectly with grilled meat, fish and sweet flavours, and the recommended retail price is £3.75. Day number 14 at the top here, and we've got not one but 3 Terry's chocolate orange bars. I haven't had one of these in a long time. I absolutely love them. Chocolate and orange. Oh, it's really lovely. See, just little single bars there. 35 grams each. And they retail for 50p each. We'll have to share them. Yep. Day number 15. Up here. We've got Earthrewboss Tea, Earthrewboss Chai, 15 biodegradable tea bags from Good Earth. When you're born in the 1970s, California, you've got no chance of coming out boring. That's why all our beverages are packed with natural ingredients and bold flavours to invigorate and rejuvenate the soul. It contains spices of cinnamon, ginger and cardamom, and the retail value is £2.75. Day number 16, up at the top here. There's lots of leaflets with the products as well, which I'm leaving behind. I'm only noticing them in some. But we have got a kind dark chocolate, orange and almond bar. This is gluten-free and dairy-free. I've tried these before and they are gorgeous. Really, really tasty. Yeah, it just says gluten-free and 52% nuts. And the recommended retail price is £1.30. So there's that. Day number 17, down the bottom here. Tiny cheese twists by Arden's. Little flaky puff pastry twists baked with cheddar cheese. These are gorgeous. I haven't actually tried this brand before, but cheese twists. Oh, they're so nice. The recommended retail price is £1.20. This is those. Day number 18. Over here. We've got Fused Clever Classic Soy Sauce. And there's 150 mils there. It says here, now available at a reduced price on Amazon for £2.50. It is naturally brewed, fermented, made with non-GMO soybeans and contains no added sugar. So there's that. Day number 19 at the top here. We have got some Whitworths, caramel, fruit and nut, chopped dates, pecans and caramel sultanas. 100% natural flavours. 150 grams there. Oh, my daughter will love those. And it has a retail value of £2. So is that? Day number 20, Mackey's of Scotland. Boxing Day curry festive flavour potato crisps. Gently cooked to perfection. Oh, that sounds wonderful. Curry flavour crisps. Introducing our brand new world first Boxing Day curry potato crisps. A rich curry flavour that's herby and extremely Moorish. You won't be able to put the packet down, and they retail for £1.25. Day number 21. Corner here. We've got Forest Feast Original Snack Explorers, fully dipped in chocolate. These are dark chocolate sour cherries. Oh, wow. They're so nice. Oh my word. They are so, so nice. Wow. Forest Feast. They're vegan, gluten-free, real Belgium dark chocolate, and they retail for £3.50. Yeah, they're beautiful. Day number 22 at the top here. It says, Flawsome, you've saved 3 sweet and sour apples. Ingredients, 3 forgotten apples. I'm sure I've received this in a Degusta box before. It's a brand that takes not so perfect looking fruit to make products. I'm sure it is. Let's read about it. Real wonky apples are transformed into delicious cold pressed juice that has absolutely nothing added. Enjoyable on its own with its fresh vibrant flavour, or warmed with festive spices to create a spiced apple warmer for some extra Christmas magic. And it has a retail value of £2. There's that. Day number 23, right down the bottom here. And we've got some jam. We've got McKay's made with whole fruit strawberry preserve with champagne. And there's 340 grams here. Oh, wow. Oh, I love jam on toast. I haven't had it for a long, long time. This preserve is lovely in baking, or why not add it to your traditional Christmas trifle? And it has a retail value of £1.95. Day number 24, the last day of the Advent calendar, and it's here. And we have got bacon, but I don't know what it is. I think it's balsam, and this is Messino pink gin and tonic. They're biscuits. Gin and tonic. Are they soft sponge cakes with a splash of pink gin and tonic flavoured filling encased in dark chocolate? Oh, wow. Oh, I love pink gin. They look like little Jaffa cakes. They're really, really tasty. Yeah, gin and tonic flavoured little... What are they? Little cakes. Little cakes. Really Moorish. Yeah, the brand is Balsam. Messino pink gin and tonic, and these retail for £1.49. It says Happy Christmas and a Happy New Year. So those are all the products inside this year's Degusta Box Advent Calendar. I'm really grateful to have been sent this Advent Calendar. Food Advent Calendars are a little bit different, aren't they? I love a Degusta Box, their monthly subscription boxes, but to have an Advent Calendar, and a massive one, now that it's a bit lighter, you might be able to see, look, it's huge. It is huge. The cost of the Advent Calendar is £39.99. It has a value of over £50, and they've given me a code to share with you, which will entitle you to £6 off, which I'll add down in my description. But yeah, what do you think of it? What do you think of the products inside? They're all scattered around here. I love this, which you probably guessed. I love a bit of wine. I just think that's genius. Stroopwafels, oh, and that warmer. I love the fact we've got Boxing Day crisps. We've got pasta and a pasta sauce. The winter spice I'm excited about. I'm really excited to see what I can do with that and make some biscuits. There's lots of things, lots of sweet treats, lots and lots of sweet treats, which I'm sure my kids are absolutely going to love. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know what you think of this Advent calendar and whether you've bought one for yourself, or are you watching this thinking, do you know what? Nah, it's not for me this year. All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.